I created this storytelling animation video completely free using Flow, Whisk and our Antigravity. So let's see how I did that with step-by-step execution. This is Whisk and this is where most my animations are get done. So first you need to go to the enter button, go to click here, and here we gonna create subject, scene and style. So first we need to create subject. For that, let's come over here and copy this first prompt, copy this, and this will create the subject for us. So let's paste this and enter. Okay, we got two images. We gonna just download it and then come over here and upload the image. Okay, it's done. And now let's create the scene. For that, let's copy the next prompt, which is all about the scene. Delete this prompt and then paste the prompt that will create the background and enter. And this is the scene we created, and we have two options, and we're gonna select this one, download that, and here we're gonna upload that. Okay, we have added the subject and the scene. Now let's add the style. You can either choose the upload image, like create the scene style here and then upload, or just you can enter the prompt. For style, I'm gonna just paste the prompt, come over here and copy style and come over here and then enter the text here, press that and then paste that prompt. So this is the prompt for style and generate. It's gonna round up and create a style for us. That's done. We created a style, scene, subject. Now we need a combination of a single frame. Let's copy this prompt. It is a combination of subject, scene, style. It will combine these three. Okay, so let's paste that prompt right over here. Enter. We have two outputs and we gonna select this one. Okay, this is the prompt we gonna select. Now let's animate this. For that, just click this option right here, and here we need to paste the prompt to animate. And I have just the prompt here. Just copy this prompt and here we gonna paste the prompt. Slow cinematic blooming animation, glass flower gradually opening up from closing plate, and now let's gonna enter. We got the result. And if you want more control over your animation, then I recommend using Flow, which is also powered by Google. So it needs two things. I mean, first start frame and then frame. I will show you step by step. First, create a new project and then click the toggle and select the frame to video. And here you need to add two frames, the start frame and then frame. To create the start frame and then frame, you can either use the Whisk or the free option of Freepik. Come over here and make sure it's selected as widescreen. Okay, select that, and now let's paste the first frame prompt. Come over here, there is the starting point, and copy this prompt and we're gonna paste right over here and then go create one. It's already completed. This is the first frame, the opening of the flower. So I'm gonna just download it. Yeah, download it. Now let's create the second frame. In order to create the second frame, we need this prompt, and then we need to delete this prompt. Select all and delete, and then paste our second prompt, and then make sure it's selected as widescreen. And now generate. This is the blooming image of the glass flower. And now let's download that. Download. Okay, we have two frames, the first frame and the second frame. Now let's go to Flow and add these two frames. So first frame here, blur one, we have added the first frame. Now let's add the second frame. Now our next step is adding the final prompt to animate this. Paste that prompt. Come over here, and this is the animation prompt. Copy, go to Flow and paste that prompt. This is the prompt. Now go and click this enter button, and this will generate a wonderful animation. Let's wait and watch. It's ready. Let's play it, and it's working really fine. Let's download that full size. It's only 720p. You need to get a pro version to get the high quality video of this animation. Now we got the animation of a glass flower. Now let's add this to the heroes section. To add that heroes section animation, I need a website. So for that, I'm gonna be creating a website using Antigravity. So open the folder and this is the environment I'm be using, and I'm gonna be create a quick website first and then add that animation and show you the result. So let's be quick. Now let's paste the first prompt over here. Okay, now paste over here, and I'm gonna be using Gemini 3 Flash. Okay, now here this is the rules. I need to structure first and then add one by one prompt. So I need to first structure prompt, and we have created the website front end for adding that animation. So these are the prompts I have added, and the anti-gravity created the best front end. This is the front end the anti-gravity created for me. I gave clear instruction about what to do and what not to do. So I definitely told anti-gravity to no, don't add any images in this front end. So that's why there is no image showing up in the front end. And let's add the animation. For that, we need to make this video into images. Okay, a lot of images. For that, let's use this website which is called isgif. Here we're gonna upload that file. So I have uploaded the file, convert to JPG. So using the isgif, we have converted the video into multiple frame of images. Download a zip file and then extract it and then upload to public folder. I mean this folder, public folder. Here this is where we gonna add these images, and then tell gravity to make this as our hero section and make it animate. So this is the result we got. And after adding some prompts and telling it to animate, after adding that image to the public folder, so when you scroll down, you can see the flower is blooming. This is the exact animation I was looking for, and we got it. And the quality is really bad because we have not used the pro version of Flow. That's why the video quality is really low. You better use the pro version to get a high quality video and then animate it. So this is the result we got. Yeah, it's really looking fine. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you later in next video. Thank you for watching, and tada.